is Angela again. Welcome back to my channel. I did not realize that the camera was not on when I was pouring my paint here. But as you can see, I've already started. I have a 11 by 16 canvas that I'm trying to make a another painting, and this is going to, I'm going to use my spinner to do this one. So keep watching. The colors are just basically yellow. I see yellow there. I have put blue, dark blue, some green, and the white is just my my Artist Loft white with some Floetrol for sales. So I'm going for Pro sales again. So yeah, keep watching, and I will pop in and out of the video just to say something, kind of explain to you what I'm doing. Right now I am pouring some cell activator that I made with Amsterdam Pearl White and Floetrol. So I am going to do that, and then I'm gonna spin it, and we'll see what we get. Enjoy the video. And again, some parts I might just go ahead and fast forward it or time lapse it for you. So enjoy. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Okay, I am going to start spinning this and see what, this is my first time using this spinner, so hopefully it will come out right, and I hope I don't splash paint all over my kitchen. So yeah. Doesn't look like it's doing anything, so I'll use my magic knife, palette knife, to kind of make a design of this painting, and I'll come back to you when it's done and show you what I came up with. Okay guys. The wet result, and it turned out really nice. I like it a lot. I like the colors. They are really nice and bright, especially in the middle. I like that 3D effect in the middle. It turned out wonderful. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye.